Ever felt like you're playing a financial guessing game? You know, that sinking feeling when you check your bank account and it's, well, less than inspiring. Like your money has a secret life you're not invited to? You're not alone. We've all been there, staring at those confusing spreadsheets or trying to remember where that sneaky $20 went. That's where apps like PocketGuard swoop in, promising to bring order to the chaos. But have you ever stopped to wonder, what's in it for them? How does an app that helps you manage your money actually make money? It's a question that deserves an answer, because understanding the business model helps you understand the product itself. PocketGuard, with its bright interface and promises of financial clarity, has become a popular tool for budget-conscious users. It connects to your bank accounts, credit cards, and investment accounts, giving you a bird's-eye view of your finances. It categorizes transactions, sets spending limits, and helps you avoid overspending. But those features don't magically appear. Developers need to eat too, right? So, let's dive into the core of PocketGuard's revenue streams. First, and perhaps most visibly, is their premium subscription, PocketGuard Plus. This is where a chunk of their revenue comes from. While the free version offers a solid foundation for budgeting, PocketGuard Plus unlocks advanced features. Think deeper insights, custom categories, more detailed reports, and the ability to track net worth over time. It's the deluxe package for serious budgeters. This subscription model is a classic approach in the app world, offering enhanced functionality for a recurring fee. Then, there's the less obvious, but equally important, aspect, affiliate marketing. PocketGuard integrates with various financial services, like insurance providers or investment platforms. When you sign up for these services through PocketGuard's recommendations, they receive a commission. It's a common practice, but it's crucial to understand that these recommendations are integrated into the product experience. It's not always a bad thing. Some of these recommended services are genuinely helpful, but it's essential to do your own research before committing. Another revenue generator is data aggregation, though in a privacy-respecting way. PocketGuard, like many financial apps, analyzes anonymized and aggregated user data. This data can be used to identify spending trends, understand consumer behavior, and provide insights to financial institutions. This isn't selling your personal information, but rather leveraging collective data to improve financial services and offer better products. It is important to note that PocketGuard has a privacy policy that defines how they handle user data. It's always a good idea to read those. Finally, partnerships. PocketGuard collaborates with financial institutions and other companies to offer integrated services. This can involve white-labeling their technology or providing data insights to partners. These partnerships can generate revenue through licensing fees or data-sharing agreements. So, there you have it. PocketGuard's revenue model is a mix of subscription fees, affiliate marketing, data aggregation, and partnerships. It's a common, and relatively transparent, approach in the financial app space. Understanding these revenue streams allows you to make informed decisions about using the app and provides context for the features it offers. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.